courtesy of GEARBEST. You guys know I work with this company often, and they sent over a new baby for me. So this is the packaging that the wig came in. It was shipped via DHL. Let's go ahead and open her up. So there is one of those little nets around it, and then you have some stuffing. And I think I went kind of short. So usually I am going through the site and picking up my wig at like 3, 4, 5 in the morning. So by the time a week later goes by and I receive it, I never remember what I got. So of course I have the exact wig link in the description bar for you guys to check out. But I went short, so this is going to be kind of interesting. Hopefully it's going to be cute and look good on me. I've got some curly wavy situations going on here, so I feel like this is like the short version of that. Feels a little bit darker. This looks like it's a 1, and this looks like it's maybe about a 1B. So construction of the cap, we flip it inside out, and you will see that there's a comb in the center, and then there is 1 comb on each side. So you have 3 combs in the front. Then you flip the back, and there is no comb back there, but there are adjustable straps. You also can see there's some lace. You'll cut off the excess lace, but what is great about that is that usually means that you'll be able to put it up really high into a ponytail or a bun, and you'll have that nice baby hair effect and that lace effect in the back. Especially if you want to bond this wig down in the front and the back, you'll be able to have it look real snatched onto your head. The lace in the front, where you see lace from like here to here, and as you guys can see, you get more lace in the center, and then you get a little lace on the sides, which usually for me means that I'll be doing a center part, or if I wanted to do a side part, I probably would shift the wig to have the most amount of parting. But the wig looks super beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace, adjust the straps, and I'll be back to show you guys what the wig looks like. And you guys can see my daughter's hand. She's over it now, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, see what I have to do to this wig to make it look snatched on me, and then I'll be right back. So really quickly, this is what she looks like on with the lace still attached. So this is what the wig looks like on. It appears that you're going to be doing like a side part situation. I love these wigs. You already have your baby hair going in the right direction, so you'll be able to trim that out. I do have the lace still attached, and sometimes it's easier to show you what's going on with the lace still attached. There is some parting already pre-made. It still needs to be, of course, like tweezed out. I'm going to add some powder to it. You can feel free to bleach the knots. What I love about these wigs from this company is that I just feel like the hairline just lays so flat and so natural that you're just able to finesse it and to get it where you want it. I'm thinking this would be cute to do like a little bit of a top knot bun and have the rest curly down below. Really, really, really love the cap construction on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, and then I'll be right back. And this is what the head looks like when you put it straight down. I like it with the side part. You can even go deeper on the side part. I just pretty much went with what it came with. I also put some powder in the parting. This is my L'Oreal True Match powder in the color C8 here. So I went ahead and put that in powder. You can go ahead and take your finger to blend it out. I also added a little bit of baby hair, but I didn't want it to, so feel free to go ahead and pluck and tweeze as needed. And yeah, it's super nice. I didn't add any product, but I'll kind of show you guys a little bit of what it would look like with a little bit of product. I'll just take 1 pump of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, and I don't want to like put it all there, so I'll kind of start in the back and just kind of use it to pull the curls apart and together. And add something really nice to it. Actually, I actually like that a lot. Super pretty. This is a super pretty, super natural looking wig. I really like it. I like the fact that it is a lace front, so if you want to go ahead and play up the porting, I don't know, you can do some fun styles with this look. I kind of like it in my face. I feel like I love the fact that these wigs come pre-styled already. Let me kind of try and show you what the back looks like. And yeah, super pretty, super versatile. I like it because when I do short wigs, I feel like it's not versatile. But like if I do a short bob, it's just that bob and there's not much to it. But this shows how you can add curls to your bob and it pretty much give it a whole new look. These wigs are heat iron safe. I'm not sure how high you can go, so I probably would do something like 350 if you want to go ahead and revamp the curls, or if you want to take it straight, you could definitely do that with this one. No tangles with this one. I've been running my fingers through it, although I have not combed it. But you really don't want to comb it. When you have curls like this, like why would you want to interrupt that? But you know, minimal shedding. Again, this was like a low maintenance wig. I didn't even have to add an elastic band to this. Of course, you can go back and add the elastic just for a little extra security. But other than that, it's a beautiful, nice, perfect little bob. I would just pin it back and do a few exposed what do you call them, bobby pins right here, and I think that would look super cute. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. It was super simple and sweet. This is one of the nicest curly bobs I've had in a while. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do have it linked down in the description bar, so make sure that you check it out. Also, make sure that you check out all of my videos from GEARBEST. If you're feeling this one, just go to the page where all of my videos are and then just search GEARBEST. And I have like 4 or 5 videos from this company. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one.